All right, folks, this is Jacob with Chris Smith's Office of Gardner Realtors, and I've got a real treat for y'all today. We're selling a truly historic residence at 3300 Dumaine Street. It's a gas station converted into a luxury residence by Robert Guthrie. He's a legendary New Orleans artist who does screen printing, and he has truly beautiful work. I would encourage you to check it out after this video. It's got 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and 2,200 square feet, offered at $649,000. And without further ado, I'll let Robert tell you all about it. Thank you for watching.
I fell in love with the space first time I saw it. I was so lucky to finally get it. When I first bought it, my son was little, and I said, "What do you think about living in a gas station?" And he thought I was crazy. Hi, I'm Robert Guthrie, and this is my house. It's an old gas station, and I've converted it to my living space. This area is called Bayou St. John, and it's just 2 miles to the French border. I bought it before Katrina. It did get some damage, but we were able to fix that up pretty quickly. As an artist, it's my biggest art project, and I was able to incorporate items of cars and gasoline and stuff like that. I just love the old wooden trusses that hold the roof. I use a lot of modern elements. It's a modern kitchen. The pulls on the handles for all the cabinets are emblems from cars for the bathroom upstairs. I bought a bunch of toy cars. I had an artist friend put them in resin. They're lit from underneath, so it's just like a piece of artwork on either side of the door. My favorite feature is the downstairs bathroom. The sconces are made out of old headlights. The toilet roll holder is actually an oil can holder. We did subway tile surrounding the jacuzzi-style tub, TV, and then we had the tile running up the wall to the second floor. The landing was the old hydraulic lift that we actually raised up to the staircase. The bedroom upstairs, I have where I can look out over this space, but I also have some blackout blinds. The exterior is kind of a Spanish style with that green tile. Spanish tile around the portico with the big awning in the front. The sign holder is original. The rooftop, I added a deck. It's a nice view up there. New Orleans is a different city, and this is really a different place. I think it fits in just by being quirky.